Hello YouTube. This is my Firewatch panel in power mode. Yeah, I have a battery full. Let's pull the fire alarm. There's a fire in the building. Got you guys. Works. Let's open up the panel. I don't have a key, but it works without the key. So, next step is to push acknowledge. Hold it for 2 seconds. Listen for the click. Those click and reset. First, I know we have the pulse station. 270, 270 SPL. I'm doing my magic trick. Make your hands forward. Okay, now reset the panel. After this, rewiring in the panel. Trying to do it one-handed. I try not to touch the panel. There we go. Okay, acknowledge all the trouble. And that's all. You notice the wires look a little shorter right there. I actually restripped them. Yeah. Anyways, that's it.